Welcome back. In this video, we're making habanero hot sauce. Onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, 4 cloves of garlic, 6 habanero peppers, 1/2 onion, drizzle oil over the top, salt and pepper, roast at 450 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Into a frying pan, 1 cup of carrots, pour in 2.5 cups of water, season with salt, bring up to a boil over high heat, reduce the heat to low, and simmer for 10 minutes, or until the carrots can easily be punctured with a knife. Place the onions, garlic, and peppers into a blender, dump in the carrots, the juice from 1/2 of a lime, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, season with salt and pepper, blend on high speed until it reaches a liquid consistency. Slowly stream in a few tablespoons of olive oil to help emulsify the mixture. Place into the refrigerator to cool down. Pour into a squeeze bottle, and there we have it, habanero hot sauce. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.